Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you uh, how you can fix Modern Warfare 2.0 crashing at startup or simply not launching. So let's jump right into the video. So the first method is very important. We're gonna do something very important to fix if any files are corrupted or missing on in your system. So what you have to do, we have to verify the integrity of the game. So let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so what you have to do is to open Steam, and in Steam here and select library, and then head over to the game Call of Duty and select properties, and here select local files, and then click here verify integrity of game files. So just click guys verify integrity of game files, and if you have any files that are corrupted 100%, that was the reason why the game was crashing for you. So please click on verify integrity of game files. It will take a while, not that long, depends, but please wait until the very end. And then now let me show you the next method to fix the crashing problem. Now guys, let's jump to the next method. What you have to do is simply reset Warzone settings. So in order to reset Warzone settings, we need to head over to the documents file. So here what you have to do, just go to this PC as I said before, and now here select this PC documents, and then we have Call of Duty and players, and just delete all these files, delete, and that's it. Okay, now let's jump to the next setting, and what you have to do is just to go to Steam, and here in Steam go to library, Call of Duty, properties, and here please enable the Steam overlay while in the game, because this has a lot of impact, takes a lot of percent and process process power when the Steam overlays a game. So just please disable this, will help you as well. The next step that's very important is to update drivers. So I'm using NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. I have a GeForce. So now here just select your GPU, because we need to update, or AMD, and just go to update, download now. And for Intel, you need to do the same thing. So just go and download the update. Just search your driver and then click on the download button. That's pretty much what you guys have to do. But before ending this video, let me tell you something very important, and something that you have to verify as well, is when you're playing the game, please go to Windows lower key plus R, and here write msconfig and select services, hide all Microsoft services, and please uncheck those services that you are sure you don't need to run in the background. For instance, I don't think we need to use, I don't need Google Update Service to run in the background, so I just uncheck them and then apply and OK. And also you can click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and Startup, and here select apps that are running in the background and disable them, not all of them, but the ones that you know you don't need them to run in the background, because they're take a lot of process, a lot of performance, a lot of processes from your computer. So these guys are the methods to fix Modern Warfare 2.0 crashing. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know if this video helped you out in the comment section. If it didn't, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial with better methods, and I'll look for better ways maybe if there are. So let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I really appreciate it a lot, and like this video if this video helped you out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.